See, certain scans only work against certain operating systems. It's nice to know that a port is open, but we can sometimes send wacky packets just to see how that remote system responds. So, for example, the whole idea of doing what's called inverse scanning is we send a TCP packet, but instead of doing the SYN or the SYNAC, we can send a FIN or an urgent or a push. These are other TCP flags. Let's just take a look real quick. See if I've got any TCP packets in that previous capture. Yeah, cool. So again, when we're looking at a capture, each frame is unique, and then the frame goes, here's your layer 2 header, your layer 3 header, your layer 4. Now from a summary, we see the source port is 5157, the destination port 7272. Here's our sequence number, here's our acknowledgement. Well, within this, you've got a section here called flags. If you open that, there's these zeros and ones that lay out. If it's a 0, it's off. If it's a 1, it's on. So in this case, the acknowledgement flag is set. The urgent flag could be set. The push flag could be set. You've got SYN, you've got FIN, you've got reset, etc. So what we're saying here is we'll send a TCP packet to somebody, and the rules are that the first packet of the flow needs to be a SYN, and then it comes back with the SYNAC.